Hey friends, John Reinhardt here. A quick message for Memorial Day weekend. This is Memorial Day weekend already. I can't believe how fast the year is going. So on Memorial Day, we honor those people who have given the ultimate sacrifice for us, for our country. And we thank them and take a moment out of our busy schedules to stop, enjoy a barbecue, and appreciate and respect what they've done for us. It's also the unofficial start of the summer, so the beaches are opening up all over the place, pools are opening up, and people are starting to get together, get out of their houses, enjoying the weather that is also indicative of this time of year. I'm real excited about that. But what I'm excited about also in real estate, if we look at it, with a different eye and in the marketing eye, we look at it as an opportunity to get out and meet our friends because that's what we really are. We're social beings. We like to get out, meet people, say hello, see how they're doing, and this is a great opportunity for us. Everybody's getting out of the houses. I know on my block, I live on a block that's down the block from the beach, and you don't see anybody all winter long. Now all of a sudden, it was nice last weekend. Hundreds of people just pass by, say hello, how's it going? What's happening? Oh, my kid's going to Alabama. My kid's going to the University of Tampa. Whatever's happening, you start catching up with people. And then what happens then? Well, then real estate comes up. How's the real estate market? Things like that. It's a great opportunity to just get a conversation going. Don't start it out with real estate. Just start out, how's it going? And I've been finding that that's been working out real well. I've been helping people all over, thinking about if they should buy, sell, whatever. So I think it's great. Put yourself out there in those different environments. Go to the park, go to the beach, go to events, barbecues. Just make yourself available. Because you know what? When it comes down to it, you are the authority. They know you. They trust you. They know you for many years. Like when I walk into a room, they know I'm in the real estate business, and it goes without a doubt that there'll be a question about the real estate market. And that's the questions that they have right now. Should I buy? Should I sell? What's happening with the interest rates? Are they still going to go up? Is that going to affect the prices? Is the prices going to go down? And these are all great questions, and I'd love to chat with you about any of those, my opinion on any of those things, should you want to do that. But for today, we're just going to talk about, let's start the conversation. Yes, interest rates are going up a couple more times, and we see that happening, and that will affect prices. They're not going to go up as much. In some markets, we do see them coming down a little bit, and in other markets, they're just maintaining, and the prices won't escalate so much where the demand is so strong. Like in some parts of Florida, demand is still so powerfully strong, but the prices won't go up as fast as they would if the interest rates were lower. So those are just type of conversations that you can have, and nobody's 100% right. Just like nobody could predict the stock market, and if they did this week, it took a big tank and it's starting to pick up a little bit. You can't predict it. So your opinion is really valuable. It's just another opinion of someone who's in the industry from what you hear. So this is what I think we should do. This is a post-quarantine summer when everybody's going to be out busting out, waiting to have some fun. So that's what I want for everybody here. Have some fun, for God's sakes. Some people they just got so boring with quarantine. They stay home, they watch movies, they don't get out, they don't do what they used to do. So, put a couple years back on your life. I think that's what I'm hoping for all of you guys. Have fun. Be yourself. Be that fun person that you are. I know everybody here. I know everybody in our group. We're all fun people. We like to get out. We like to network. We like to socialize. Maybe you want to play pickleball. Let me know. We'll do pickleball at my house on a Friday. Maybe next Friday. Maybe this Friday. Whenever you want, just let me know. I'm happy to put a group together and show everybody how to play the game. It's a lot of fun. But just do something different. And, the funny thing is, though, when you look at the end of the day, people enjoy doing business with people that they enjoy being with people that they have fun with. Oh, he's a good guy. She's a great woman. Let's do it. That's what it's all about. That's what real estate is. It's networking, making people feel comfortable with you. And that's really what it's all about. So get out there. It's Memorial Day. Have a great Memorial Day. Get out there. Start talking to people and watch what happens. I wish you the best. Have a safe weekend. Hope to see you all soon.